Once you've downloaded the Polaris app in the Apple Store or Google Play Store, create an account or log in with your existing account, then follow these steps. Move the vehicle to a place away from structures with a clear view of the sky and good cellular coverage. If your vehicle is electric, the vehicle must be unplugged. You and your mobile device must remain next to the vehicle for this procedure. Start by adding your vehicle to your garage. If you do not have any vehicles in your garage, tap the plus icon on the Home tab in the Polaris app. Or, if you already have a vehicle in your garage, tap More in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Garage, and then tap Plus. Add a vehicle by manually entering your VIN, You will then be directed back to your garage after adding your new vehicle. To set up connected features, tap the activation message in the Home tab of the Polaris app, or in the garage, tap Ride Command Plus. Fill in the appropriate contact information. Tap Continue to proceed. Read through the privacy and license agreement and tap Accept if you accept the terms. Upon acceptance, you will be brought to the activation page. Follow the directions indicated on your device. These directions will have you start the vehicle and power the vehicle off. Each step may take up to 3 minutes to complete. If no GPS location is detected, move the vehicle away from structures with a clear view of the sky, good cellular coverage, with your mobile device next to the vehicle, and try again. Ride Command Plus is now active. Activation is now confirmed. Tap OK. Now let's take a look at using the Ride Command Plus features. Location of the vehicle can be viewed on the Map tab of the app. Your location will also show as a card on the Home tab as well when Locator is available for the selected vehicle. When the vehicle is powered down, location information is updated once every 24 hours and shows the vehicle's last known location. When the vehicle is in use, location will be updated in real time. Critical vehicle health information is shown on the Home tab. By tapping More from the Home tab, you can see additional vehicle health data. If your vehicle detects a diagnostic code, an alert will appear on the Home tab of the app. Tapping on the diagnostic code icon in the app will provide more information on that diagnostic code. The email address associated with the Ride Command Plus account will also receive an email about that code as well as push notifications if the user has opted in for push notifications. Periodically, updates will automatically be sent to your vehicle's plug-in device via over-the-air updates. These updates may include new features, improved functions, and bug fixes. They will also occur seamlessly as the plug-in device is connected to a cellular network. The What's New section in the app explains what updates have been performed and an overview of what new features are available. For more information, please visit ridecommand.polaris.com.